Hey guys, it's Mrs. Ramsdale. I'm going to go over your assignments for your virtual days. Everybody's pretty much listed the same thing on their virtual days. I'm trying something new, so we'll see how this works. Let me go into a B since B's are virtual, but A's, yours will be the same. All right, so if you take a look here at September 28th to October 2nd, that is the week we're working in. You will see that I have virtual day 1, 2, and 3. For cohort B's, this will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. For cohort A, it'll be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here is the materials that you need for your Quizlets, for your quiz. When you open it up, it will show you that there are 3 sets of Quizlets. If you study these 3 things, you will do fine on the quiz. Cohort A, please notice that your quiz will be next Monday. But cohort B, yours will be this Friday. And that's because you're having your 3 days of virtual plus in class, where cohort A, I won't see you again until Monday. Let's see here. Okay, oops. Let me go back. So that's your material. This video will be listed up here as well. For virtual day 1, you'll go in, you will see that you need to do your Quizlet for scientific method. Remember to try to get your quickest time on the match game. And the way you do that is you click on the link. Alrighty. And then over here are all your choices. If I were you, I would do your flashcards first. You click through them, click on them to have them tell you the definition. Your match is right here. As you can see, my best time is 20.5, not very good. But you will see that there is a leaderboard that you want to try to get your fastest time, whatever that might be. Just try to beat my 21 seconds. Alrighty. And then Brain Pop, it's working again. However, everybody has to enter a new code. I know that this is kind of a pain in the butt, but that's okay. So as you can see, if you are Burns, you will enter this code. But everybody, please understand, every class has a different code. So this is only for Burns. To figure out your code, you can just log in, and you will see everybody has a different code. All right. Now, when you get into Brain Pop, let me go to Brain Pop here. You just go in through class link as you normally would have. It will look a little different. It'll probably be right here, and it's going to say Brain Pop G Suite. When you click in, you're going to wait for it to do its thing. Please make sure it says your name. You will click enter code. You will type that code. I suggest you just copy paste it. Once you get in, you will see that you have assignments. So your first assignment, oops, my fault. Let me go here. Your first assignment is watching the engineer design process. I have 3 things for you to do. Again, it's the same as always. Watch a movie, complete a worksheet or a graphic organizer, and then take the quiz. Please make sure you do part 2 before you do part 3. Part 2 helps you learn for part 3. So all 3 things need to be done. You know the drill. You watch it, you complete it, you take it. This number 2 will be a completion grade. However, I'm going to be looking for quality work. If you don't have quality work, then I'm going to put a comment in your grade book. Your graded quiz, that will be graded. It'll be out of 10 points. All right. You will also see that I have a scientific method assignment. Same type of thing. 3 things to do. Watch the video, complete the worksheet, and then take the quiz. That is what you will do for the Brain Pops. I do have your longitude, latitude notes. I gave you that paper last week. You will need to take the notes on your using this PowerPoint. That's only for cohort B. Cohort A, you will get this when you leave, so you'll be doing it on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So when you click on it, you will see that you can do this. You will just arrow down and you will see that you have blanks here. Whatever is written here is what you write in the blanks. And you just arrow down to see everything. If you're going to color any, please make sure that you color before you glue. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Let me get back into the classroom. Again, it doesn't matter what classroom I go in because everybody has the same virtual assignments. So that's for virtual day 1. For virtual day 2, again, I have posted the same Quizlet. You do have a brain pop and scientific method. I already showed you how to get to that. Ed Puzzle, you're going to just watch a video, guys, and you're going to log in through ClassLink, but I'll go ahead and take you there. Same as usual. Go through ClassLink. Find your Ed Puzzle. Skip it. And you will find your class. As you can see, these are all my classes. So I'm going to go to Burns B first because Burns B will have it. You can see that it's upcoming because it doesn't start till the 28th. This right here, it is a parody of the One Direction song. It's pretty corny, but I like it. So you're going to watch that. No questions needed, but I can see if you watch it in its entirety. We'll talk about it in class too. And then you also have a map scale game. Now, when I was playing this game, it is very challenging and kind of frustrating because I could not get it exactly right. So what I have learned, though, is if I use my estimating skills and my measurement skills, I can get it within 50 miles correct. So let me show you how to do this. So just click on the website. If you have any issues with it opening up, I did not. Remember, sometimes it'll say, click here to do the Adobe or the Flash. Just click on that, and then you're going to click Allow. If you have any issues on how to fix that, you can go right here. Having game issues, I did that last week, so you can go there. Let me go back to here. Now, you click play. You're going to use the on-screen ruler. Alrighty. Now, it gives you the 2 little red dots right here, point A to point B. Over here is your scale. So what you're going to do is you're going to move your ruler and you're going to put it right like that. Now, all you have to do now is a simple math problem. So that is pretty much on 2. As you can tell, it's not necessarily spot on 2, but I know that 2 times 600, well, 2 times 6 is 12. Add my 2 zeros and watch what happens. I was off by 210. So apparently that one wasn't a good one. All right, so we just try again and we just blame the game. But here what we're going to do is we are going to go from here to here. Now, as you can see, it's not quite 23. So if it were me, I would do 22 and a half. Now, I'm going to allow you to use a calculator for this if you want to, or you can do a paper pencil. But 22 and a half times 600, I got 13,500. Let's see what happens. I got within 120. I'm getting a little closer and I'm getting a little better, but I'm going to keep on trying to get within that 50. So here to here, it's just over 12. So 600 times 12, I got 7,200. But with it being just a niblet over, I'm going to try 7,550 and see what happens. Ooh, 7,280. So as you can see, it's kind of challenging. So you want to try your best to get within 50. Clearly, if you're within 100, that's pretty good too. But it's not an exact science, but it's good practice. That's virtual day 2. Virtual day 3, again, you've got your scientific method. I want to talk to you about this one. I don't think I talked to you about the learn one, so I'll talk about both of them. On day 2, you're supposed to click learn. I showed you this in class, or I will show you in class.
Educated guess.
Okay, it'll read it to you. As you can see, I'm familiar with 1. I want to know them well. Go down here to your options. You can click on exact answer, term, definition, flashcards, multiple choice, audio on or off. It was on, so it read it to me. You can click it off or click it on, whichever you want. Now, you can make it term and definition or just term. You can, if you like to spell, I highly suggest not doing it because spelling does count on there. And so if you don't like your progress, you can click start over. Yes, restart learn, and there it resets you. So what you're going to do is you're going to read this. You're going to choose which one. Oh, there you go. Process to gain information. Oop, I missed it. So now you need to look at it, learn it, press any key to return to continue, and then you keep going. That's the learn. You can change your options. Now I'm going to show you the test. The test is similar. All right. Now, as you can see, there's matching, whatever, and you can type in here. You just click to type. Let's say you only want matching. What you can do is you can click your options button and turn them all on just to matching. I would do the term. If you are getting really good and want a challenge, click on definition as well. And then create a new test, and there, it's all matching. That's a good one to do. But now you're really good at it. Let's do multiple choice. Create a new test. So now you can see that half is matching, half is multiple choice. Do it again. True, false. Fantastic. So as you get, if you want to try different ones, try different ones, and then you'll click check your answers. Over here, it will give you a percentage. I want you to get 80 or above before you're finished. That is for the scientific method. Edpuzzle, what is an engineer? You know how to get into Edpuzzle. It will be there for you. Be prepared to, we're going to compare the scientific method versus the engineering process at school. And then here, follow the direction. Here you see the compass rose. You get 3 moves if you want to make it harder for yourself. If you get really good at this, I would just keep it at 3 moves for now. But it says 2 steps west. So you're starting at the smiley face and you have to do 2 steps west, 1 step south, and 1, 2, 3, 4 steps west. Click it, and then it'll tell you. Now, for the next one, so let's say that I click here. Oh, I was close. That was just me guessing too. Here. Ooh, I missed it. So it'll show you the correct path. It's just a fun game to practice your directions. And then here's your Google Earth slideshow or slide. You're going to, this will make a copy for yourself, but you're going to answer the questions. And where it says type here, you will click on it and type there. What you're going to do, as you can see, it says, what school do you attend? You're going to do your answer. So you'll type Tollgate Middle School. And then you will type its relative location. So you could describe. So it says, right here, describe the relative location. You can tell me how many miles it is from your house. You can tell me that it is located off of Tollgate Road or at the intersection of Tollgate Road and Refugee. The absolute location, though, is you will go to Google Earth and you will find the absolute location. You may have to look up some of the addresses, and you can just do that by Googling Tollgate Middle School address, and then you copy paste that into Google Earth. And as you can see, we want to see your favorite restaurant, your favorite store, and if you could visit one place, where would it be? And you're going to do that for all of them. Okay. And that, my friends, is all you have to do for your virtual days. When you come to school on your in-person days, we will be doing some other activities that help us with these things. But some of you will be doing it on Monday, Tuesday, where the rest of you will be doing it Thursday, Friday. If you have any questions, remember you can write a comment. If you need to write a comment, help each other out. Feel free to email me. But if you email me, I can only check it during my lunch and after school. And I think that's it, guys. Enjoy your week, and I will see you at school.